In our review video of this Kingbull Literider 2.0, I told you that we had ordered a new controller to increase the speed. They sell a controller on their website, and I think it's $50 some, and I ordered that. I was going to show you how to change it out, but we were so excited to do it that we already did it. So this is what it looks like. That's the old controller, but they look exactly the same, and they even have the same numbers on it. The only difference was somebody has written a P right here. Somebody just took a Sharpie and marked a P on it. That's all. That's the only difference we could find. All the wires matched and everything. We took these two screws out, took this plate off. You can see the end of the controller right there. Plate off, pulled the controller out. There's all the wires, identical to what's on the new controller. The only thing we had to do was over here, cut the insulation of what was covering this right here. We cut that insulation, it's actually sitting right there. And peeled it back and pulled that plug apart. That's the only one long wire that comes out from underneath where the controller is. We also had to snip several of these little ties to free that wire up. I think about 3 of them. And then just switched out the controller. Fed the wire back through there, plugged in all the other wires. There's about 5 or 6 of them. Put the plate back on, put the bike together, and then we had to go into the settings to change from 20 miles an hour to 28 miles an hour. And there's videos out there showing you how to do that, so I'm not going to duplicate that. Pretty simple once you know how. It wasn't simple before we knew how, but now we do. So that's been done. Kelvin just took it for a test ride, and guess what? It goes 28 miles an hour. So now we're going to have a race. One of us is going to ride the older Kingbull Literider, the original Literider, and the other one's going to ride this brand new purple Literider 2.0, and we're going to race up a hill that's over here and see how we do. So that's next. Okay, Kelvin and I are going to go over here and try a hill. We actually rode this earlier before we made the switch, because I wanted to check this hill to see which one of us could get up faster. It's a pretty steep hill. I'm on the Literider, the original Literider. Kelvin's got the purple Literider 2.0. So he's got the new speed. I've got the old speed. And we're going to go down this hill here. And then we're going to come back up racing to see who gets to the top. Now, keep in mind, Kelvin is on the new one, and we have upgraded it, and we believe it goes 28 miles an hour, throttle only. But Kelvin does outweigh me a little bit. Obviously going downhill now. I can't help it, I just like to go fast, that's all. So we're going to start right around this corner here. And actually, I'm going to get a little tiny bit of a head start. And the reason for that is drama. I'm hoping as we both take off here, with me having just the slightest head start, that Kelvin will be able to pass me. That's what I'm hoping for. Maybe we should have switched bikes. Maybe I should be riding that one since I'm a little bit lighter. I don't know. But anyway, we should both be going at least somewhere near the same speed when we go over the top of this hill. You ready, Kelvin?
Yes, sir.
You in pedal assist 5?
Yes, sir.
And we're going to use throttle only, no pedaling, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to pull up here just a little bit. I'm going to get about a 10-foot head start. Okay, I'm about 10 feet ahead of him. I'm gonna say go, and we both just twist the throttle. You ready? Go! I'm leaving him in the dust. hitting 23, 24 maybe, 24 miles We're gonna have to take Kelvin's word for it because we don't have a second camera for him. Should have thought about that, but who knew? Maybe we'll switch bike. 21? 21. All right, let's switch bike. I'm gonna turn the camera off. We're gonna go back down the hill and we'll see you back down there. Now I'm on the purple one and we're gonna do, you get 10 feet in front of me, Kelvin, with that one. And I hope that I'm able to pass you. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. I'm on the purple one. The 2.0. I passed Kelvin. You saw how fast I went on the green one. This one's about, what, 2 miles an hour slower than when I came up on the green one. But it's a whole lot faster than 20 miles an hour. So let's go right around. How fast do you come up?
22.5.
Yeah, I was 22. Yeah, it is the weight. It has to be. So where can we race on flat ground out there on the road?
Yeah.
Now, we never did fully charge this battery on the new bike. So we only have 3 bars, it looks like. That could be contributing a little bit to the lower speed, I'm not sure. Down to 2 bars. There's 26, 27, 27.8. I saw 27.9 there for a second. Going. You lead, I don't know my way. I'm gonna slow down here and conserve battery because I don't want to walk. And I sure don't want to pedal. Taking a left apparently. Here we go. Oh, we've been here before, huh? Okay. Well, the upgrade is worth the $50. In my opinion. Hello, Kelvin.
Hello, sir.
Ready? Go. It doesn't have anywhere near the snow on it it normally has because it's summertime. Gotta love it. I feel like we're going against the wind here, but that's, I don't care. 27.9 is a whole lot better than 20. You need to adjust your brakes, buddy. All right, that was nothing but fun. Nothing but fun. Okay, there you go. You got an upgrade if you want it, or go 20 if you don't want it. But this is a nice bike. Solid, quiet, comfortable. I love it. I love it. I'm glad Stephanie's gonna have it. Catch you guys later. Bye.